To begin customizing your Shopify store's theme, first log in to your admin dashboard. Navigate to the Edit Code section where you'll find the structure and layout of your current theme. Once there, click on the Customize Theme button. This will launch Shopify's visual editor where you can see a live preview of your store and make real-time design changes without needing to write code. Within the editor, locate and click on Add a section. This allows you to insert new customizable blocks into your page layout. From the list of available sections, select one that fits your design needs, for example, RI Featured Collection 3. This section is specifically designed to highlight a curated group of products along with a custom image, giving you plenty of creative flexibility. Once you've added the section, you'll be able to upload a main feature image as well as a custom image for the collection. These images are fully adjustable. You can fine-tune their presentation by changing the border radius to round the corners, modifying the border thickness to make the image stand out, and selecting the aspect ratio that suits your design vision. Shopify also allows you to define a completely separate aspect ratio for mobile devices so that your images adapt seamlessly across screen sizes. To enhance the visual feel of your section, you can control the image overlay opacity. This is especially useful when placing text over images as it helps improve readability while adding mood or contrast. Next, customize the call to action button in the section. You can update the button text, choose from a wide range of font families, and fine-tune the font size so it fits harmoniously with the rest of your theme. You can also define different button sizes for desktop and mobile independently, giving you complete control over responsiveness. To further refine the button's appearance, you can adjust its line height and even set a maximum width for each device type to maintain visual consistency. Spacing matters too, so the editor allows you to configure button padding both vertically and horizontally, ensuring the button feels balanced and well placed within the section. For layout precision, you can choose the button alignment style such as left, center, or right. Alignment settings are also responsive, meaning you can choose different alignment for desktop and mobile views to enhance the user experience on every device. Additionally, the product images displayed in the collection can be styled too. Adjust their border radius and thickness to match your brand's look and feel. Typography plays a vital role in how your section communicates. You can customize not just the button text, but also headings, select the font family, font size, and line height for headers, and choose how they align on desktop and mobile. This ensures your headings are not only readable but also consistent with your brand's identity. Beyond layout and typography, finer styling controls are also available. For example, you can adjust the scroll bar's top margin, change the price alignment beneath each product, and modify both the text color and background color of the call to action button to match your overall theme palette. You can take the design even further by changing the scroll bar drag color, tweaking the image overlay color, and setting a custom background color for the section. Want more definition? Set the border color of the section to add separation or stylistic emphasis. Finally, to manage the spacing around and within the section, you can configure margin settings at the top and bottom to determine the spacing between this section and the ones above or below. Inside the section, you also have full control over padding. Adjust the top, bottom, left, and right padding independently to ensure your content has enough breathing room. With all these customization tools, you're equipped to build a featured collection section that's not only visually engaging but also responsive and on-brand across all devices. This level of control lets you fine-tune every aspect of your storefront layout, ensuring that visitors experience a polished and professional design from the very first click. Telephone receiver need assistance? We are here to help. Got questions or need support? reach out to us. Mobile phone call or WhatsApp 9035671333. Glow with Meridians, visit our